How much do you know about home remodeling? Test your knowledge with this quick and fun pop quiz. Discover remodeling tips, trends, and must-know facts. Ready to challenge yourself? Let's go!
What is the main advantage of a floating floor installation? The answer is faster installation. Which type of roof is considered most durable against high winds? The answer is hip. In plumbing, what is the most common size for residential water supply lines? The answer is 1/2 inch. What kitchen cabinet style has no face frame and is common in modern designs? The answer is frameless. What does casing refer to in home construction? The answer is trim around windows and doors. Got them all correct? Thanks for taking the quiz. And stay tuned for more.